Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be solving this puzzle called mean variance and standard deviation. Let's go through this. They are similar to what you have seen in your elementary mathematics. Mean variance, standard deviation works in similar manner here as well. It's just NumPy provides you these tools to calculate in one line. Okay. Here you can see it's about mean. The mean tool computes the arithmetic mean along the specified axis. This is the array defined, you can see, and if you will do the mean, numpy dot mean axis 0, if you will define, means it will calculate the mean between these two guys first and then these two guys first, this one and this one. So 1 plus 3 divided by 2 is 2, so here you can see 2, and 4 plus 2 divided by 2 is 3. Why divided by 2? Because two numbers are there. Similarly, if you will put axis equal to 1, then it will calculate the mean between these two guys, that is 1.5. 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Similarly, 4 plus 3 divided by 2 is 3.5. Okay. If you will put axis equal to none, it will calculate mean for all the elements together. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 4 because of all the total 4 numbers are there. So 2.5 here you can see. So this is how mean works. Similar manner, if by default axis is none, therefore it computes the mean of the flattened array. You can see variance tool computes the arithmetic variance along the specified axis. So here also you can see variance between these two guys. If you will calculate, that will come out to be mean is what? Mean is 2. Yeah, mean is 2 here. So xi1 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square divided by 2. That is what it will be calculating. Let's look at this. So description variance is given. How they are calculating it? Yeah, here I have written. So mean of x is absolute a minus a dot mean, where a is this two elements 1 and 3, and a dot mean is their mean 2. Absolute value, square it. Okay, then you have to take the mean is calculated in this fashion, divided by n. So that is what I have done. First I have calculated this, then sum it, divided by n. So you might be knowing this arithmetic, or you can search in YouTube, you will find ample amount of videos understanding about variance. So this is how this variance is being calculated. NumPy is calculating variance in this fashion, okay. So here you can see axis is equal to 1 will create the variance between these two guys. So their mean is 1.5. So 0.5 square plus 0.5 square, that will give you 0.5 divided by 2, 0.25. Yeah, 0.25 it is coming. Similarly, you can calculate it. So basically they are showing you how to calculate variance and mean in single line. Similarly, standard deviation computes the arithmetic standard deviation along the specified axis, which is just under root of variance. Okay. So here you can see under root or square, I forgot actually. Standard deviation notes, it will be there. So that is square root. Yeah, square root of variance. So here you can calculate it if you want to, you will get the result. Okay, so axis is none, therefore it computes the standard deviation of the flattened array. These all things you might be already aware of. 12th class mathematics it is, 11th 12th class. Our task is, you are given 2D array of size n cross m. Our task is to find the mean along axis 1, variance along axis 0, and standard deviation along axis none. Okay, simple exercise we have to do, and input will be given in this format. You can see the first line contains the space separated values of n and m. Next 10 lines contains the m separated integers. Okay, first mean, variance, and then standard deviation we have to put. So here you can see the format. This is nm, this is a one dimension, second dimension of array, and then they have calculated the mean, variance, standard deviation. So let's go through this. First I'll take the value of n and m, as always we were doing it since I don't know how many times. So list map then what we were doing, int input split. Okay, this is how it will be calculated. Then array, we have to take same stuff for I in range 0 to n array dot append, and inside this we have this whole thing, right? Then we have to convert into a numpy array equal to numpy dot array arr. So now we got our array, so we just have to print the mean, variance and standard deviation. So I'll take mean first. So this is our mean, and this is our array. Access has to be 1. On the similar note, we will have variance. This I'll calculate, this I'll change it to var, whatever you call. This has to be access 0. Access 0 they want, then access none. So again I'll copy paste here, std you will write, and access either put none or don't put at all, anything. Now let's run it. Oops, what's the problem? Okay, this has been truncated. Okay, so we can use something called round off. They have done the round off here, 8875 here. So we can round off. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 till 11th. Okay, so let me round off. Round off this guy to 11 digits. It might work. Yeah, so they are now round off. So they wanted till here, that's why I did. Round is something you will do round off which value and till what digits. Okay, till what decimal so that is how you do the round off. It's all the test cases are passed. Congratulations. So we are done with this exercise. Let's move on to the next one.